In this video, I will show you how to create a table fill activity in Edvento. From your teacher dashboard, click Create New Activity. The Activities page will open. Under the Individual Activities section, find the Table Fill activity. Move your mouse over the activity card to flip it. Then click Create Game. A small pop-up window will appear. Enter your activity name. For this example, I'll use Fill the Table. Choose the activity visibility. I'll set it to Private because I don't want other teachers to see this activity in the Edvento library. Now click Create Activity. The activity creation page will open. The first thing you can do is customize your activity background. From the navigation bar, click the Theme button. Choose any background image you like. Once you've selected your background, scroll down to the Table Editor. By default, you'll see a table with 3 rows and 3 columns. If you need a larger or smaller table, simply change the number of rows and columns. You can also make the first row or the first column a header. Just enable the first row is header or first column is header switch. Header cells are always visible to students and cannot be edited during the activity. For this example, I'll only use the first row as the header. Now let's enter the column titles. The first column will be base form. The second column will be past simple. The third column will be past participle. Now let's add some irregular verbs. The first row is do, did, done. The second row is go, went, gone. If you already have your content prepared, there's an even faster option. You can use the Edvento AI Activity Creation Center to generate a ready-to-use CSV file. Then, simply open the Import section and upload your CSV file. This is the quickest way to create large table fill activities. In this tutorial, however, we'll continue with manual editing. To create blanks for students, simply enable the switch inside any cell. When the switch is turned on, the content of that cell becomes hidden. Students will see an empty cell and will need to type the correct answer. You can hide as many cells as you like. When everything is ready, click Save Layout. A confirmation message will appear to let you know that your table has been saved. Finally, click Save Activity from the navigation bar. Your table fill activity is now ready to use.